Welcome back to the Niswonger Foundation here in Greenville. And right now I'm joined by Dr. Richard Kitzmiller and Dr. Richard Bales. Gentlemen, thank you all so much for taking some time with us today. We're discussing Rural Life, a program here at the Foundation. And I'm going to ask Dr. Kitzmiller, just give us an overview of what Rural Life is all about.
Well, Rural Life is also a literacy initiative,
yes,
like the one you've discussed, but it is aimed at middle school students. We were fortunate enough to get a federal grant for approximately $8 million. We're working with 72 middle schools,
wow,
all the way from Gatlinburg to Johnson County, Mountain City area. And we're starting to see some great things happening, and we still have 2.5 more years of our grant to go.
Tell us about what happens with the students that are involved in Rural Life.
Well, we think that to improve literacy, we need to personalize learning a little bit. Students need to read things that they're interested in and write about things they're interested in, and they need to take ownership of their own learning. So we're trying to improve literacy through personalized learning. We have personalized plans for each of the schools, and each of them is working with their students in a different way. And we're helping them with coaching and with other resources, just monetary resources.
And I'm going to slide over here and talk to Dr. Bales. Dr. Bales, you're actually one of the instructional coaches that he was just mentioning. Talk to us about on a daily basis how that instructional coaching works.
The coaches, we have 9 instructional coaches, and I'm sort of the lead of that particular group, right, and they are involved with the schools that are a part of the grant, right, and they go in and work with teachers on PD and how to teach reading more effectively. And those 9 coaches each serve 4 schools, so they're in the school each week working with teachers who are in addition working to students.
And you also have like a summer initiative for those teachers as well, and you also have a thing called Code Camp as well.
We do. We have a lead teacher who's identified in each school, and they're sort of the go-to person, right, when the coach isn't there. And so we do a lot of training, especially in the summer, on literacy and how to improve instruction and personalize it with those lead teachers.
When it gets right down to it, I mean, being able to personalize that teaching for each individual student involved in this program, that's so vitally important, isn't it?
It really is. You know, as a reader, and a lot of us are readers in the program, yeah, we like to read certain things.
Right. Certain
things draw me into a book, and I think it's the same for students. And so what we've tried to do is really talk to the students and see what their interests are, and then put the resources behind that to get the text for them.
All right. And Dr. Kitzmiller, if a student or a school system, you know, that may not be part of Rural Life right now, wants to get involved, how do they do that?
Well, we actually are part of a research study, so it's pretty bound at the moment, right, for the 72 schools. We have 36 comparison schools, but we are actually working now on archiving some materials and making it sustainable both here and across the state and nation if folks should want to. So we're still early in the process, but there will be a time where we will be willing to share our findings with other places.
All right, very good. Dr. Kitzmiller, Dr. Bales, thank you so much for taking some time with us. This is such a vitally important program, Rural Life. You can go to the Niswonger Foundation website and find out so much about it. I did last night. It is a very vital, important piece of education for our middle schoolers here in Northeast Tennessee.